Good evening all of. My name is Pooja Subhash Patel. Today's date is 19 May 2022 and today's bio topic name is multi-threading in Java. So let's discuss about multi-threading in Java. Multi-threading in Java is a process of executing multiple threads simultaneously. A thread is a lightweight sub-process, the smallest unit of processing. The multiprocessing and multithreading both are used to achieve multitasking. The multitasking are mainly divided into two types: process-based multitasking and thread-based multitasking. Then we use multithreading than multiprocessing because threads use a shared memory area. They do not allocate separate memory area, so saves memory and contact and it is between the threads take less time than process. The Java process, the Java in Java, multithreading is mostly used in games, animations, etc. Then we discuss about advantages of a multi-threading. So first advantages is a it does not block the user because thread are independent and you can perform multiple operation at the same time. Then second one is a you can perform many operations together, so it saves your time. Then multitasking is a process of executing multiple tasks simultaneously. We use multitasking concept to initialize the CPU. The multitasking can be achieved in two ways. First one is a process-based multitasking, and second one is a thread-based multitasking. The process-based multitasking are used in a are the type of a multi-threading. The process-based multitasking, in these types, each process has an address in memory. In other words, each process allocate a separate memory area in our CPU. A process is heavyweight cost of communication between the process in high. Then switch from one process to another requires some time of saving and loading registers, memory maps, updating list, etc. Then second one is a thread based multitasking. The thread based multitasking, in this process threads share the same address space and there is lightweight. Thread is a lightweighted. Uh, the cost of communication between the thread is low as compared to process based multitasking. Then we discuss about what is thread in Java. A thread is a lightweight sub-process, the smallest unit of the processing. It is a separated path of execution process. Then the threads are independent. If there occurs exception in one thread, it does not accept other threads. It uses a shared memory area in our CPU. Then, then Java thread class. The Java thread class, it provides a thread class to achieve thread programming. The thread class provides constructors and methods to create and perform many operations on a thread. The thread class extend object class and implements runnable interface. That's all about today's topic, multitasking. I hope we can understand. Thank you.